What's up guys, Tech Central here with a $1,000 gaming PC build. Now this PC is capable of playing any game you throw at it at around 1080p or even 1440p depending on the game you play, and getting really good smooth frames per second. But before I begin, I want to let you know that all the products that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below in the description box in the order that they appear, so it's easy for you guys to find them. But with that being said, let's get on with this video with the case. The case I want is the Cooler Master Masterbox Pro 5 RGB mid-tower PC case. Now this case is currently going for $80 on Amazon. It features a 120mm fan, it features 4mm thick edge-to-edge tempered glass side panels, and it also features flexible mounting, such as easily mounting and rearranging SSDs across the motherboard trays and on the back with an SSD bracket. It has 3 RGB fans in the front that are 120mm, and they are pre-installed behind, and there is also an RGB 120mm fan in the back, which totals up to 4 RGB fans that are pre-installed in the case already. For the power supply, I want the EVGA 600W B1 80 plus bronze certified power supply that is currently going for $59. Now this power supply is really good and it is bronze certified. This power supply will be capable of powering all the components in this build. For the motherboard I want is the MSI Gaming AMD Ryzen B350 Tomahawk motherboard. Now this motherboard is currently going for $80, but there is a $20 amount rebate that is knocking the price down to $60, which is a really good deal. This motherboard supports DDR4 memory, and it is VR ready. This motherboard has 4 DDR4 memory slots supporting up to 64GB, and it also has a multi-GPU with steel armor. I paired this motherboard with the AMD Ryzen 5 1600 processor with the Raidspire cooler. Now this is currently going for $189. It's a really good processor from the AMD Ryzen lineup. This comes clocked at 3.6 GHz. It has 6 cores and 12 threads that are unlocked. It has 3MB of cache and 16MB of L2 and L3 cache. Next up for RAM, I want the Ballistic Sport LT 8GB kit. This is 4GB of 2 that is clocked at 2666 MHz, and this RAM is currently going for $104. This memory kit is ideal for gamers and performance enthusiasts. Now obviously memory prices have been skyrocketing. Normally about a year ago you could get these for about like $90, even cheaper, but since cryptocurrency and all those other stuff, RAM prices, GPU prices have been skyrocketing, which is making it pretty hard to build budget PCs. But yeah, 8GB will get the job done. For storage, I want the WD Blue 1TB hard drive that is clocked at 7200 RPM. This is currently going for $49. I wanted to fit an SSD in, but since GPU prices and RAM prices have been skyrocketing, it's pretty much impossible. But yeah, this is a 1TB hard drive that'll pretty much get the job done to store all your games and data and any other. And lastly, for the graphics card, I want the MSI GeForce GTX 1060 6GB GDDR5 graphics card. This is currently going for $465. I really wanted to go with the GTX 1070 Ti, but since they were going for like $700 to $900, there was no way I could fit this in the build. But yeah, this graphics card will get the job done to play all the games you want to play at 1080p or even 1440p, maxed out, getting really good smooth FPS. It has a max resolution of 7680 by 4320 and supports 4 display monitors. It has an input of one 8-pin PCIe power connector and an output of DVI-D dual link, HDMI, and 3 display ports. But yeah, that is going to do it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, bookmark my Amazon affiliate link, and use it when you buy stuff. And I will see you all in the next video.